Today we are going to talk about the most frequently asked questions in driving practical exam here in Germany. Before you drive for 45 minutes, your examiner will ask you some few questions. First, you have to know your lights. You have to know where is your automatic headlight, your side light or parking light, your dim light, your high beam light, your fog light, and of course, you have to know how to turn off the lights. This one is automatic headlight. It turns on automatically, but sometimes it does not turn on during fog or heavy rain because the light sensor still detects the light. That one is to turn off. In Germany, it is not necessary to drive with light, but it is recommended. And the next one is side light, also known as parking light or Standlicht in German. They are not bright as headlights. And the next one is dim light or Abendlicht. You can use this during dark, rain, snow, or driving in the tunnel or during towaway. That one is the fog light. That is your fog light in front. And the other one, that is your fog light at the back. This one is a hazard warning sign or Warnzeichen in German. You can use this if your vehicle is broken down on the road or you need to warn other drivers behind you of a hazard obstruction ahead. There are hundreds of different light symbols and signs in your car, but I will tell you the most important or most commonly used in everyday driving, such as turn signal, front and rear fog light, and high beam light. This is turn signal indicator symbol. Put your turn signal on approximately 30 meters before you reach intersection and 150 meters when driving on highway indicating exit, change lane, or this is the front fog lamp. The indicator is green. It is designed to shine down, illuminating the road beneath the fog. And that is the rear fog lamp indicator. It is in yellow or amber. The lines point to the right in this symbol, indicating rear facing beam. This is required in Europe. They make the vehicle more visible in poor visibility. This is a high beam headlight, a blue symbol. You can use it outside cities and in rural areas as long as there are no other vehicle around. The next possible question is, what are you going to consider in the tire of your auto? First is the tire pressure, next is the tire profile, and the tire is not damaged. Okay, dann machen wir das jetzt auf Deutsch. Was musst du beachten auf deine Reifen? Zuerst Reifendruck, zweite Reifenprofil. Musst du immer schauen, dass die Reifenprofil ist mindestens 1,6 mm. Wenn das weniger ist, dann musst du deine Autoreifen wechseln. Und die dritte ist, du musst auch immer schauen, dass die Autoreifen ist nicht beschädigt. In my next video, I will show you how to measure tire pressure und tire profile, or Reifendruck und Reifenprofil in German. Before I end this video, I will ask you one question. When is the best time to change your summer tire into winter tire? Please don't forget to comment your answer below. The answer I will tell you in my next video, okay? Bye! Thanks!